Welcome to our comprehensive step-by-step guide on developing positive habits and routines. In today's fast-paced world, habits that support your well-being and productivity is essential for personal growth and success. Whether you're striving to improve your health, boost your productivity, or enhance your overall happiness, this guide will equip you with actionable strategies to develop positive habits and integrate them into your daily routines. Step 1. Understanding the importance of developing positive habits and routines. Understanding the significance of developing positive habits and routines is pivotal in achieving your goals and living a fulfilling life. It's not just about sporadic efforts or temporary changes, it's about establishing sustainable practices that become ingrained in your lifestyle. Positive habits provide structure and consistency, enabling you to make progress towards your objectives with ease and efficiency. Moreover, routines streamline your daily activities, freeing up mental bandwidth for more meaningful pursuits and reducing decision fatigue. Recognizing the importance of this journey empowers you to take ownership of your habits and routines, understanding that they shape your thoughts, actions, and ultimately, your destiny. By acknowledging the transformative power of cultivating positive habits, you set the stage for personal growth, resilience, and long-term success. Step 2. Exploring your current habits and routines. Exploring your current habits and routines is a fundamental step in the process of cultivating positive change. It involves introspection and self-assessment to identify patterns and behaviors that either support or hinder your goals. Take the time to reflect on your daily activities, noting habits that contribute to your well-being and those that detract from it. This step encourages you to embrace curiosity and self-awareness as you examine your habits and routines. Be honest with yourself about areas where improvement is needed and celebrate the habits that serve you well. Consider the triggers and rewards associated with each habit, as understanding their underlying mechanisms can aid in creating lasting change. Additionally, exploring your values and priorities is essential for aligning your habits with your long-term goals. Take inventory of what matters most to you and ensure that your habits and routines reflect these values. This process empowers you to make intentional choices about how you spend your time and energy, fostering a sense of purpose and alignment in your daily life. By immersing yourself in the exploration of your current habits and routines, you gain valuable insights that serve as a foundation for positive change. This self-awareness enables you to identify areas for growth and develop strategies to cultivate new habits that align with your aspirations and values. Step 3. Identifying positive habits to adopt. Identifying positive habits to adopt is a pivotal step in the journey of personal development. It involves setting intentions and goals for the habits you wish to cultivate based on your values, priorities, and desired outcomes. Take the time to consider areas of your life where small, incremental changes can lead to significant improvements. Begin by brainstorming a list of potential habits that align with your goals and values. These may include habits related to health and fitness, productivity, mindfulness, personal development, or relationships. Be specific and realistic in your choices, focusing on habits that are attainable and sustainable in the long run. Moreover, prioritize habits that leverage your strengths and interests, as these are more likely to be embraced and maintained over time. Consider how each habit contributes to your overall well-being and sense of fulfillment, and choose those that align with your vision for a balanced and purposeful life. Once you've identified the habits you wish to adopt, create a plan for implementation. Break down each habit into manageable steps and establish clear triggers and cues to prompt action. Set yourself up for success by removing obstacles and creating a supportive environment that reinforces your desired behaviors. By identifying positive habits to adopt, you lay the groundwork for personal growth and transformation. This intentional approach enables you to cultivate habits that align with your values and aspirations, leading to a more fulfilling and purposeful life. Step 4. Implementing habits into your daily routine. Implementing habits into your daily routine is essential for making lasting changes and seeing tangible results. It involves creating structured routines and systems that support the integration of new habits into your lifestyle. Take a proactive approach to habit formation, setting yourself up for success from the outset. Start by establishing a consistent schedule and allocating dedicated time for habit practice each day. Integrate new habits into existing routines or anchor them to specific cues or triggers to increase their likelihood of adoption. Be patient and persistent, understanding that habit formation takes time and repetition. Moreover, track your progress and celebrate small victories along the way. Use visual cues or habit tracking apps to monitor your consistency and stay accountable to your goals. Reflect on the benefits of each habit and the positive impact it has on your life, reinforcing your commitment to continued practice. Additionally, cultivate a supportive environment that encourages habit formation and growth. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your goals and values, and seek out resources and tools that facilitate habit development. Embrace experimentation and iteration, adjusting your approach as needed to optimize your success. By implementing habits into your daily routine, you integrate positive change into your life and lay the foundation for long-term growth and success. This disciplined approach fosters consistency and momentum, empowering you to realize your full potential and live a life of purpose and fulfillment. Step 5. Overcoming challenges and building resilience. Overcoming challenges and building resilience are essential for maintaining momentum and navigating obstacles on your journey to developing positive habits. Understand that setbacks are a natural part of the process and an opportunity for growth and learning. Cultivate a growth mindset and embrace challenges as opportunities for self-discovery and improvement. Develop strategies for overcoming common barriers to habit formation, such as procrastination, self-doubt, and lack of motivation. Break tasks down into smaller, more manageable steps and focus on progress rather than perfection. Practice self-compassion and forgiveness, recognizing that setbacks are temporary and do not define your worth or potential. Moreover, build resilience by prioritizing self-care and well-being practices that support your mental and emotional health. Make time for activities that replenish your energy and reduce stress, such as exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature. Surround yourself with a supportive community of friends, family, or mentors who uplift and encourage you during challenging times. By overcoming challenges and building resilience, you strengthen your commitment to positive change and cultivate the perseverance needed to achieve your goals. Embrace setbacks as opportunities for growth and resilience, knowing that each obstacle you overcome brings you closer to realizing your full potential. Conclusion: developing positive habits and routines is a transformative journey that requires dedication, self-awareness, and perseverance. By understanding the importance of this journey, exploring your current habits, identifying positive habits to adopt, implementing them into your daily routine, and overcoming challenges along the way, you can cultivate a life of purpose, productivity, and fulfillment. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content on personal development and growth. Share your experiences with developing positive habits and routines in the comments below. And remember, with dedication and consistency, you can create a life of meaning and success. Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips from us and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.